Good day mga Borlasoy. Today I will be discussing the forensic science and the criminalistics. In crime investigation, it is often linked to science, of course. But many people, or even some of you, get confused between the two. Though they are closely related, but they're actually not the same. So, when we talk about forensic science class, it is the application of techniques and principles in order to provide evidence to legal or related investigations and determinations. So, meaning, forensic science is application of scientific knowledge and methods to help solve legal and criminal cases. It uses science to provide evidence. Provide evidence, help the investigations, and to support court decisions. So, pag sinabi natin na forensic science, hindi lang to isa. Maraming types of forensic science. Isa na doon, one of the example of forensic science is the DNA or forensic DNA analysis. Para saan eh? Para sa man eh? Para saan to? It helps identifying the suspect or victims. Another example of forensic science is the forensic medicine. It determines the cause of death or the injury. So, that's the purpose. Another is forensic toxicology. Toxicology. What's the purpose? To detect the drugs or poison. So, that's the purpose of forensic toxicology. Another, digital forensics. Examining like phones, cell phones, CCTV, and even computers. Diba? Dagay klase sa forensic science. Forensic anthropology, identifying the human remains. So, meaning, sa forensic science, it uses different types of sciences just to help just to help the law. How about the criminalistics, ma'am? Si criminalistics pod, it is a profession or field of forensic science. Take note, field of forensic science. That deals with the recognition of evidence, collection of evidence, preservation of evidence, and examination of physical evidence for the administration of justice. So in short, criminalistics is a branch of forensic science that focuses on physical evidence. Don't forget, it recognize the evidence, collection of evidence, preservation, and examination of evidence. So one of the examples of criminalistics is fingerprint analysis. Ay nakuan sa crime scene na ay fingerprint. So, sama na siya. What type of fingerprint? Is it sa human ba? Or sa animal ba? blood stain. So, nakuha na pod na blood stain. Patak-patak lang. Sa crime scene. So, mana nga type of blood. Is it from the human or from the animals? Diba? Naa si recognition. Another, firearms and tool mark examination. So, sa isa ka crime scene, na nakita dito nga firearm or bullet ba na diha. Sulod siya kay criminalistics. Why? They represent si recognition. So, kung nakita na evidences, imo i-collect, you need to preserve and examine those physical evidences that was gathered in the crime scene. Ha? So, sa paman, sample pa, tracing evidences like hairs. So, kung nakita nga hair, sige, sa human body, sa tao nga hair. So, asa pod na part sa hair? Asa man gikan ang hair? Hair sa kilikili? Hair ba sa taas? Or hair ba sa ubos? Inga na siya. So, meaning, si criminalistics, it is a hands-on. Hands-on siya na trabaho. Ha? Diba? Kaya para makuan pa. So, another, in a simple comparison between forensic and criminalistic. Si forensic science, broad. You still remember what I mentioned earlier? Broad. Why? Daghay klase ni forensic science. Natong forensic DNA analysis, forensic medicine, forensic toxicology, forensic daghan. There are a lot of So, meaning, largo, daghan kaayo ang klase sa forensic science. So, it also uses science for law. Has many branches. Oh my God. Forensic science has many branches. While the criminalistics class, it is a specific field. It is a profession daw or field of forensic science. So, meaning to say, si criminalistics under siya ni forensic science. So, isa pa, it focuses on physical evidence. And, di ba, si forensic science has a lot of branches. Si criminalistics, one of the branch of forensic science. So, launta lamang, si forensic science is isa ka family. Then, si criminalistics, isa siya sa membro sa family. Nga kuan. Diba? So, like for example, okay, scenario, sample scenario, sa robbery. There is a robbery happens. Talaman sa tindahan ni Aling Lourdes. So, unsa man? Si forensic science, balik ta. Let's go back. Forensic science, DNA analysis used to identify the suspect. Digital forensic, kung naay CCTV, pasok siya kay forensic science. Kay tanaw man, lantawon, reviews the CCTV footage and phone records if available. And forensic medicine, if someone was injured or someone died, kaya na may namatay lang dili kay naigo sa bala, namatay lang kay gisawan sa pagbuto. Amay nga na. Pero nga naman, dili na to ni pwede nga simpulon. Kaya nga naman, si criminalistics, why? Kung walay tarong nga criminalistics, walay tarong na ebidensya. Hala, kung dili ni mo daan ma-recognize ka, klaro na nga pubic hair to. Pero mulaong ka nga hair to sa cat. Oh, di ba? Palpak na dayon. So, ngano man important man? Are these two important? Of course, these two are important. Why? Because they help solve the crime. Of course, protect the innocent people. Kay basig si kuan lang diri Cordapia, nag-inom-inom lang siya kubra, siya pahinuan ang napriso. Kay nga naman, kay siya man ang duol sa tindahan, tung robbery, siya na noon ang napasanginlan. Of course, dili pwede. Sa pamambasay purpose nila, ni kuan, criminalistics, and the forensics, nganong importante man, is because they also support justice and fairness. Ba? Kung nakuha ninyo? So, all in all, these two work together, but have different rules. Again, forensic science class is the broad use of science in legal matters. While criminalistics focuses on physical evidence. Ibalik-balik ko gayud ni class. Kay para at least man lang kaning duha makuan ninyo na. Focuses on physical evidence. Nagets ba? Nakasabot ba mo? Nakuha ninyo akong pasabot? Kung wala, pwede rin mo mangutana again. Anyways, thank you for listening and I hope you understand something. God bless.